Assembly video. Installing the main machine. Install pressure handle. Fixed with the cover nut. Install the down plate. Install heating plate. Adjust the knob to proper position. Use 2 pieces screws to fixed. Plug in aviation connector. Retractable supporting leg effectively prevent the machine from tilting when turning to the right. Put the high temperature sponge. Main machine installation is complete. Installing the mark press. Dismantle the up heating plate. Dismantle the down plate. Assembly the mark heating pad. Use 4 pieces screws to fixed. Assembled mark heating pad installed on the machine. Use 4 pieces screws to fixed. Connecting the aviation connect. Mark heating pad installation is complete. Installing the pad heater. Dismantle mark heating pad. Installing the cap heating pad. Fixed with 2 butterfly nuts. Install the head heating pad. Use 2 pieces screws to fixed. Cap heat pad installation is complete. According to different products, the height of the machine can be adjusted through these 4 holes.